Hey everybody, welcome to Fabdaddy TV episode 1. I am your host, Fabdaddy. See, it says on my hat, coming to you from outside my shop. As you can see, it's a nice cool 30 degrees here in central Indiana. So I'm just posting this short teaser video to let everybody know that there's more videos on the way. I'm sorry it's taken so long to get this posted, but I was kind of freaking myself out looking for the best cameras and audio equipment and stuff like that. It was I'm not real tech savvy, so I was kind of freaking myself out. So I decided just to go ahead and make this video with my phone, which should be just fine because it does record in 4K. So anyway, so stay tuned for more videos. The first few will probably focus on who I am, how Fabdaddy got started, what I'm planning on doing with the shop, and some projects we're going to be working on. So I appreciate you guys. If you could go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and then if you want to hit that little bell icon to let you know when new videos drop. I guess I'll see y'all next time. See y'all later. God bless.